AI Titan is a comprehensive, all-in-one AI platform that consolidates 25+ premium AI tools into a single dashboard. It offers functionalities such as content creation, video production, voice cloning, website building, and more, without recurring monthly fees. Designed for beginners and professionals alike, AI Titan simplifies digital business operations, reduces costs, and enables users to provide high-demand services to clients. It is available for a limited-time low one-time payment of $14.47, with additional bonuses and a commercial license included. Key points: AI Titan replaces 25+ expensive AI tools, including ChatGPT+, Canva, Midjourney, and Adobe Firefly, with one unified platform. Users can create blogs, emails, videos, graphics, websites, voiceovers, and more through AI Titan's dashboard. AI Titan is beginner-friendly and requires no technical skills, offering drag-and-drop functionality and pre-trained AI applications. The platform includes 1 TB hosting, cloud storage, SSL encryption, and ADA/GDPR compliance at no additional cost. AI Titan enables users to launch an AI-powered business by offering services like content creation, video production, website building, and customer support automation. The commercial license allows users to sell AI-powered services to clients and keep 100% of the profits. AI Titan is available for a one-time payment of $14.47, significantly reducing costs compared to paying monthly fees for multiple tools. The platform includes bonuses like training, templates, workflows, and guides to help users maximize their business potential. AI Titan offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, ensuring a risk-free investment for users. AI Titan integrates the core technologies of leading AI tools into one system, enabling seamless operations and saving time and money. Users can provide high-demand services to various industries, including marketing agencies, entrepreneurs, e-commerce store owners, and influencers. Stop paying $400 per month for multiple AI tools, replace 25+ expensive AI subscriptions with one smart AI command center. Say goodbye to tools like Canva, 11 Labs, Claude, Gemini, Grok, Copilot, Figma, Perplexity, DeepSeek, VO3, Sora, Kling AI, HeyGen, Midjourney, Dolly, ChatGPT, and many more. Unlock premium AI models, current plus upcoming releases, with zero monthly fees. Turn yourself into a one-person AI business machine. Write, design, create videos, code, sell and automate, all from one dashboard. Launch and profit from your AI business. Say goodbye to 25+ expensive AI platforms. And instead of paying $400 plus every month for these, use AI Titan, the all-in-one $0 per month alternative. We licensed and integrated their core tech into one powerful AI Titan platform. Power of 25+ premium AI tools, right at your fingertips.
Don't need noise.
So you never need to pay, switch, or look anywhere else, replace them all for good. The future of AI-powered business control is here.
Attention food lovers, your
AI Titan makes you a leader, where you command and AI obeys.
Culinary journey like no other at
AI video podcasts, no camera, no crew, just AI. Launch human-style or baby-face video podcasts without ever going on camera. Just type your script, pick a voice and avatar, and let AI Titan create podcast-style videos that look and sound just like you, or your cutest alter ego. Perfect for YouTube, Reels, Spotify video, and the trending baby face podcast format that's taking over social media.
It's your ultimate AI-powered solution to boost
dozens of
productivity and make
avatars,
life
100+ languages, baby face ready, a full HD output.
Don't miss out. Explore AI Titan.
Replaces Synthesia, HeyGen, 11 Labs and more, saving you $500/M+. Promo videos, shorts and faceless reels. Create scroll-stopping AI videos without ever
Welcome to AI Titan
showing
voice
your
cloning.
face.
Instantly create
Turn
stunning,
prompts into
lifelike
viral
voices
reels,
with the
shorts
power of
and
AI.
promo videos,
Experience the future
100%
of audio,
hands-free.
Your imagination. Our
Perfect for
technology.
YouTube, Instagram, TikTok and more. Faceless and fast, fully AI generated. Replaces Pictory in video. Canva Pro saves $450/M+. Human spokesperson and AI avatar videos.
Hello everyone, I have a big question today. What is your favorite toy?
My favorite toy is my big red car. Vroom vroom.
Script. Pick an avatar and let AI Titan generate lifelike videos that speak, move and present like real humans. Perfect for sales pages, YouTube, client pitches, courses and more. Dozens of realistic avatars, 100+ languages, studio quality output. Replaces Synthesia, HeyGen, Vidnami and more. Saves $500/M+. Voice cloning and voiceovers. Generate studio quality voiceovers and clone your own voice in seconds. Turn any script into natural sounding audio using 1500+ AI voices or clone your own voice for a truly personal touch in 100+ languages and accents. Perfect for videos, podcasts, ads, training, audiobooks and more. Emotion rich, crystal clear, ready to use. Replaces 11 Labs, Lubbo, Muff and more, saving you $400/M+. AI generated images, artwork and stock photos. Create stunning AI images, art and stock photos instantly. Just type what you need and get scroll-stopping visuals for ads, blogs, websites and more. No design skills. No stock fees. No waiting. Realistic, abstract, artistic or branded, all styles covered. Replaces Midjourney, DALL-E, Shutterstock and more. Saves $300/M+. Graphics, banners, and social media posts. Design eye-catching graphics, banners and posts instantly. No Photoshop, no Canva, just pick a template, type your message, and let AI Titan do the designing for you. Perfect for ads, promos, social media, blog covers and more. 6,000+ templates, drag and drop easy, pro-level results. Replaces Canva Pro, Adobe Express, Vista Create and more, saving you $250/M+. Landing pages and websites. Launch stunning websites and landing pages in minutes. Choose a niche, pick a template and go live fast, no coding, no tech hassle. Perfect for sales funnels, opt-ins, and local biz sites that convert like crazy. AI Titan comes with our ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. We're completely sure about the quality, stability and performance of AI Titan that we're happily offering a 30-day money-back guarantee for our valuable customers. Our ultimate aim is to see your business grow, and that's why we created this technology so business owners like you never have to spend a fortune over complicated and expensive third-party book creation tools. So, all you need to do is grab your copy, use this mind-blowing AI technology to boost your business from a single dashboard along with tons of other benefits. Still, in the worst circumstances, if you feel that your expectations are not matched, we will be more than happy to return every single penny invested with us for the 30-day period. Now, what's holding you back?